Level 1.1 is a sub-level section of level 1 is resembled a long straight corridor continuing for an unknown long distance, which means nobody knows how long it is. So someone took a snapshot of this picture, which is basically like in this hallway, and it's a classified difficulty. It's a variety safe, but unsecure variety as entity count, which there's like some entities that can actually harm. It's like some harmful entities. Alright, first level. Section 1 is the first level of level 1.1 and is the most explored. It's very easy to access, has large numbers of resources like almond water and more. And most of these are located in crates, sometimes in, I don't know, rooms. Like the height of the ceiling varies between anywhere from 7 to 12 feet high. However, the width of the hole stays like around like 12 feet wide. The humming of fluorescent lighting is present in this sector. It's a humming sound like in level 0. It is common for the sector 1 to have many explorers, like many at once. However, this amount of explorers in the section at once drops significantly after Outpost 2. There has been no there's no documented of dangerous entities that have been encountered during the level. So it's unknown if there's any dangerous entities that can actually harm you. Section 1. Section 1 continues for an estimated 12 to 15 miles. So once you get to 10 to 15 miles, you see Section 2. Section 2, oh my god, is the second sector of level 1.1, while considerably more dangerous and unstable. This is where it gets dangerous now. That's sector 1. Like the experienced explorers shouldn't have but if you're experienced, you don't have any trouble navigating it. But if you're beginners, you're cooked basically, because is many of these sectors feature to have glitched parts in this area. It's possible to no clip through the walls into other areas like level 1, which can take you back to level, yeah, you know what I just said. The floor in section 2 is often slanted and in an odd angle, creating steep hills and drops. Sector becomes increasingly more difficult to navigate because the angles are like unpredictable, and the floors change from variety, like long, short, like that. I'm not sure. And it's like the colors will change and etc. It's not good for your eyes. It's between estimated 5 and 50 miles long, so yeah, you have to walk very long and be careful not to no clip to level 1, otherwise yeah, you can't go back. I think you can go back, but you have to restart. And it's very confusing, since it's long as the most reliable estimate believe is because the longest sector level 1.1. But there are some dangerous entities like hostile entities like are scars but smiles, hounds and skin stealers occasionally appear in this, so you be careful. Be careful actually. Since it's a long corridor, I don't know if the rooms you can hide in the rooms, but if there's someone, if those entities are there, you're basically cooked. Explorers can seek shelter in some of the outposts located along the length of this sector. It's recommended that explorers travel in groups, because if you go on your own, you're definitely cooked. Because if you stay alone, you're gonna be attacked by those 3 options that I just said. The entities, smilers, hounds, and maybe skin stealers. So be careful. You can't go on your own. If you go on your own, if you're experienced, no, because like it's good to go in groups, considering like you once the other person gets attacked, they can go in groups, find the exit, and get out of here. Alright, next. Section 3. This is a very, very unstable and very dark. So it's very difficult to navigate. This is where explorers would have a hard time traveling to this area. It looks like a distorted area. The darkness is the darkness is very unstable. Because of the instability of this level, it's more likely that you can no-clip back into a different area like level 1 or any of the others. Much of this shrouded in the darkness and overhead lights, lighting or flashlights do not appear. They do not, like flashlights and tools do not come into the area. Like in this part of the section is of a bright light in this part of section is unknown. No apparent light source has been found. There are some dangerous entities like smilers which can attack you, which can come out and they have like the most scary part is that the smilers are very silent. So you have to look at your back like every 5 to 3 seconds, and then they're weak to light, so you have to like flash at them before you get attacked. Level section 4. This is the last confirmed section of level 1.1. It is extremely dangerous and should be avoided at all times, because not much is known about this section other than what appears in an image of it. So it looks like very distorted and glitched out, which appears to be taken in black and white. And it's unstable for expeditions that discover. It says that section undulates wildly, making it nearly impossible to navigate because your eyes can't bear that. Survivors reported experience, I don't know what is acute vertigo, sorry my pronunciation's wrong, nausea and loss of, okay, I'm not saying that. I'm sorry if I'm not saying that. Much of the section has no collisions, no clips, so once you go in there, you can't go back. And this level apparently drops into a presumably endless void. It's extremely dangerous, and is not stable because the laws of gravity float freely are not there. So like dangerous entities can this is where the dangerous entities start to come, like skin stealers and death moths. So they're very rare or unique entities known to generate here, and believe that anomalies cause the sector to duplicate entities and mutate them. So I recommend not going to this level. I'm not sure of the level section 5, but it's not gonna work. So this is the entrance. Outpost 1's here. Outpost 2, 3, whatever that is, 4, and section 5 is unconfirmed. You have many chances to escape. You have many chances to escape from level section 3 and etc. But if you keep going until level 4, until section 4, you're actually good. I'm sorry, but if you go all the way to 4, you are dead. You're actually dead. And it's level 1.1, it's called the Corrupted Corridor, so I recommend avoid this level at all costs. unless if you want to explore into level 3, then if you decide to say not to save, you can no go back to level 1. Anyways, see ya.